Welcome to bushingfix.com. Today we're going to show you how to fix a shift lever in a Cadillac. Using the SR1 kit, you can do this when the shift lever is installed in the vehicle. You'll want to locate the brass bushing that sits inside the linkage. And you'll take the rubber bushing included in the kit, find the split, and put it around the brass bushing. And you'll want to orient the rubber bushing in a way that allows it to fit through the hole in the shift lever. After it's all the way in place, you can push it through the hole and use a pick or a pocket screwdriver to shift everything else in the opposite direction like that. Next, you'll want to locate the steel washer that comes in the kit. And the washer has a step on it, and you'll want to put it in place so the step is facing upward. If you try to put this in upside down, it will not go into place. Make sure the steel washer is seated all the way, because if it's not, this next step will be impossible. You'll want to take a pick or your pocket screwdriver and slide the brass bushing so it goes through the center of the washer. It doesn't have to be seated all the way, but that serves to lock the steel washer in place. And once you've done that, you can take the metal clip and lock the brass bushing in place. That holds everything together, and everything should pivot freely. And once that's completed, you can reconnect the linkage rod that goes to the transmission. After that, test the installation by shifting the shifter back and forth, and that's it, you're done.